Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add a Spotify player in Wix website. Adding a Spotify player in your Wix website is really very easy process. Just follow these simple steps. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and go to the section where you want to add Spotify player. Then in this left-hand menu, click on Add Elements. And here click on video and music, and under music here you will find Spotify player. So all you have to need, click on Spotify player and add the Spotify music player into your Wix website section. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added Spotify player. Now we need to add the Spotify music into this player. So select the player and click on settings. And once you are in Spotify settings here, you can search for a specific song, artist or album by clicking on search Spotify. And you can use the search box to search for a specific song, as you can see. And now from the search results, you can select any Spotify song to add, but I'm going to add a Spotify song using the links. So here, as you can see, I opened a Spotify song and I'm copying this song link and going back to my editor and going to settings section, and in this paste it here box you have to paste your Spotify song link and just click on update. And then as you can see, I've successfully added the Spotify song into this player. Now you can change your Spotify player position like this. You can also change your player size. So this is how we can easily add Spotify player in our Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.